Alright, ready? Do it again. You gotta stick it in this way. Ready? Up, crash. Would have been here. There you go. Push. Now we push the button. Here. Yeah, put it back in. Hey, don't go squeaking about it. If you need help, ask for help. Good job. Push it. Right here. Here, Mama, show you. Take your little... Wow! Do it again? Alright. Let's put him back up how he's supposed to be. Hold on. And then, no, you gotta push the button right here. Right here. You're sleepy, huh? Push it. Push. No, not the button yet. You gotta push this all the way in until it clicks. And then you can push the button. Watch. Turn it around. Wrong way. There you go.
Hi.
Get it in that hole. Alright. Give it to Mama. Shove it in there. Push. You want Mama to get you with it? 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Get in there, you can do it. There you go, getting much better. Oh, you gotta keep it in there though, don't pull it out, it breaks it. Alright, now you try. Push that button. Oh, you can do it, push the button. Don't squeak. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Take it back in there. Here. Now it's back in there, watch. Squeeze right here.